I'm going to take a look at this porta potty here on this home remodel here outside of Durham, North Carolina. One of these yellow ones. Let's take a look at this. This is a forever clean portable toilet. We've got a building permit over here. Let's go inside here. And we have toilet paper everywhere. We've got one of these vented floors in this one. And we have graffiti. Yes, we do. Got our vents up here. Air vents. And that's our vent pipe here. Everything's nice and yellow. Toilet paper everywhere. We have one roll of toilet paper in here. It smells okay in here, just a little bit messy. It's got one of these big locking doors. No date when it was last cleaned. Let's go take a look on the outside. This is one of those, it says Germantown, Wisconsin, USA, manufactured by Hampel Corporation in Germantown, Wisconsin. globaltoilets.com. And if this is a remodeled home, looks like a remodeling of a home. We got this on skids. Got our vent pipe up here. Overall, not too bad. Kind of a semi-mediocre porta potty for ever clean. Looks like a nice home they're redoing.